In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install OBS Studio in Mac. So let's get started. First thing, just search for OBS Studio download, and we'll be having the official link from obsproject.com. Just select it. Here we are having download options for 3 different operating systems. For us, Mac will be getting automatically selected. Here we are having 2 downloads for Mac. One is Intel as well as Apple Silicon. In my case, I am using Apple Silicon, so I will just select it. The download will be getting started, so just click on Allow. It is around 187 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it, drag and drop it inside Applications. After you have done that, just come down, go to Apps, and just search for OBS. We'll be having it. Just click it, click on Open, and we'll be getting this Review App Permissions. So it's asking for screen recording, and next it's asking for camera, microphone, input monitoring, and so many. So just give the necessary permissions that you want. Screen recording is must, so I will just click that, open screen recording preferences, and here just enable for OBS and type your password. You need to restart OBS, so I will just click on later. So OBS has been added. I don't want the camera, so I will leave that, but I need the microphone, so I will just select request access under microphone, and I will just select allow. So I'm getting access granted. I am fine with these two. If you want, you can give the other ones. Select continue, and that's it. We'll be getting the OBS interface like this. Here we will be getting the configuration. First it's saying optimize for streaming, next is optimize for recording, and final one is only using the virtual camera. In my case, my necessary is for recording, so I will select that. Choose the one that suits you over here. After selecting the necessary one, just select next, and this is fine. You can change it if you want to, it's totally up to you. Select next, and these are the configurations. Select apply settings. Now the interface looks blank because we haven't added any display capture source at this moment. Before that, select settings, and here we'll be having some general settings. You can just go through it. We are having the appearance, we're having the stream settings, the output. If you want to change it, you can go through it. You can have it at simple or advanced. I will just go to recording. These are the recording settings, and next is audio as well as the core audio settings. I'll go to video. This is the base as well as the output resolution. Really important thing, make sure that you're having the correct value for both. That is the FPS, hotkeys. You can just go through these, okay? Totally up to you. Now let's try adding some sources. So for this, to the leftmost bottom we'll be having this plus icon. Select it, just select macOS screen capture, click on OK, and click the display drop down and select the macOS display. We have got that. Select OK. Now you can see my screen is visible. Next we will add the input mic. So for that, audio input capture, click on OK, and I will just get my MacBook microphone. That's basically it. Now if you start recording, all your screen and the input audio will be getting recorded. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools.